Hello, I Prayag Jivtode, ID number 20IT044. I am pursuing BTech program in IT from CSPIT and currently in SEM 3.
Hello, myself Devraj Heda, 20 IT 041, pursuing BTech IT from CSPIT, currently in SEM 3.
We designed an static online car rental system using HTML, JavaScript and CSS.
The purpose of designing this website is that COVID, many of them can't afford cars, and in COVID it is not safe to travel in public transport. So for those who can't afford car, they can rent from here.
The Here is our website. The moment user comes on this website, he will first see the home page or slash index page in which the whole content of our website is. He can go through the whole content of our website. Here is the index page. You can see the car listing system and art about our team, then some banner like offers, then the founders say column, contact us and all. Then
Booking a
second,
car here is very easy. Like that, uh, we have shown that different types of cars are available. We can directly go into the cars option, and here car listing. If we scroll down, here we find different cars which are available at what prices per day. And then when you select some car, example, we selected a car, we can fill these details and then booking here personal details, and here the drop location which are already set at the some fixed locations only. You can get there and you can rent a car, and the different payment methods are as following.
the moment the user will reserve a car, he will receive a message. As you can see, you will soon receive a QR code for unlocking the rented car, and he has to scan the QR code on the door lock so he can rent a car easily. Here is a contact page. For some problem if there, the user can contact us uh, by sending a message. And as we set this website such that it can be used in emergency situations, so we on every page mentioned and search bar over on the top of the page like pickup location, drop location, to check the availability of car, date, pickup time, car and check now. So he will directly go on the page where the available cars are shown, and then he can book the car from there. uh, we also have mentioned the service section for those who are owning a car, their private car, and we have provided our link on every page, LinkedIn link.
so that so that anyone in need can contact us directly if there is something that he can't tell through website.
We also have provided the same on the teams page where the team members of our website are shown, like we have our Instagram handle and uh, LinkedIn
LinkedIn
handle over here.
profile, and you can see here that with all brands we keep.
We have a testimonial center where the founders say like Devraj is saying that we are doing our best for customer satisfaction and will ensure customer safety first. And me, I'm here saying that your satisfaction is our first motto. We want everyone to be safe, and those who can't afford car, for them we want to provide our service.
This website, like, it's for that who needs a car and can't afford for them, so they can easily rent a car through online, and they have to not search for different places and different locations.
So this was our project. Thank you.
Thank you.